Hi everyone, it's Nancy here. It's been a little while since I've done a video. Well, that's not quite true. I did one earlier this morning. I'm using some new equipment and I found out the autofocus was just going crazy. So I am doing a new video for you, and this I am featuring the Vintage Farm Kit from Kate Craft's store on Etsy. And I've used a few other kits of hers in among with that, and I will make sure I have all the links below for you. So this was a really fun collection to work with. It's full of all kinds of animals and photos and words, and it was a lot of fun to put this together. I'm using one of the fabric journal covers that I made a while back, and because this kit has so many images of fabric, distressed vintage fabric, I thought this one would work really well. I used ephemera from the kit to decorate the front. I added an eyelet, and I just tied a piece of jute through it and tie it in a bow in the middle, and it just suits it really well. So the inside of my cover is covered with this paper, so that's not part of the kit, but everything else is from Kate's shop. I used a postcard on the front to form a pocket, and here are some tucks. Another collection that I used is called the Vintage Document Invoices. There's a whole bunch of fun invoices and they just work well with this. So I added those, just adds more spots to write. And here's the first page. It's one of the fabric pages with some images on it. Here's a cat with a fun tag. Learn from yesterday. There's lots of nice words through this one and sentiments. Here's a fun pig. These photos are absolutely adorable. There's these great big fat pigs on them with kids and other animals, and it's just fun. They made some pockets for some more tags and tucks. Here's a cow page. Again, a page that has really beautiful fabric texture on the imagery. Here's bees. So there's some more journal spots in here. And then here's the pocket that's just put over. I put a bird clip on there because on this side there's the cat. So that's just kept there. That's got extra ephemera in it. Another cat, a really nice vintage photo, Live Simply. Here's another, I love this photo, just like the one on the front cover. A couple in front of a barn with some muted colors. It's just really charming. And here's another one of the invoices. Lots of room to write. Farm Sweet Farm. Another tuck spot. Another invoice with room to write. Choose happy. Here's the middle of the first signature. There are two signatures in this journal, and that's the middle page. Here's the other part of the invoice. Nice fabric, neutral backgrounds, great distressing, lots of room to write. Big fat pig. I love my farm life. This is one of the, another collection that I used was the AI vintage photos, and this little guy with the pig was one of them. And I believe the couples in front of the barn are also part of that. Here's a bunny page, Life is Better on the Farm. Another envelope with more stuff in it. A big pig pocket and some little piglets. There's a bull. This tag is a really nice big tag. I just adhered it on the top. Another postcard with a image on that side. And this one, I thought this was fun. It says Nancy. So I think I used that one twice just because it has my name on it. Never Stop Believing. Bunny. That's the back of the first signature. Then here's the second one with some lambs. Choose Happy. Some ducks. I'm not sure what that is. That looks like a turkey, so I'm not sure. Live Your Dream. No Rain, No Flowers. Some more invoices. Farmers have lots of invoices. Here's another tag in there. Here's a dictionary page with chickens on it. Another invoice. On the back of this one, I added tea-dyed paper, in strips just to write on. Some great old photos. Life is better on the farm. Here, farming looks mighty easy when your plow is a pencil and you're 1,000 miles from the cornfield. Here is a beautiful old farmhouse. I used a key clip for this one. I thought it worked really well with the house. And then I just put that over top like that with the chickens. More chickens. Another little tuck. More chickens, farm fresh eggs. A cow pocket with milk and cow, and cows are a girl's best friend, easily distracted by cows. Home is where your herd is. Another postcard pocket with more invoices, more room to write. This one has dogs on it. This one is a little tuck. Another one with a pretty flower. The back of that invoice. A chicken. The back of the dictionary page. Here's a horse. Miracles can happen. That's another envelope full of goodies. Stop, relax, enjoy. Another horse with a journaling card. Another sweet boy with a pig. Every moment matters. The back page, and then the inside back cover is another postcard, a new beginning with this fun image, and another envelope. Never give up. So that is my journal for Kate. I will have all the links below. I am sorry about the wiggling. I am trying a new setup here. I've got all my brother's filming equipment, and some of it I have no idea what it's for, but I will learn because I've got some really fun new things coming up. So we will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.